Prime factorization. After watching this video, you will be able to write a composite number as a product of prime numbers. What do you mean by prime factorization? Prime factorization of a composite number is the number written as a product of its prime factors. What do you mean by factors? Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. For example, 2 times 5 equal 10. It means 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. Let's see what is prime number. A prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2 is a prime number. Why? Because the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2. 8 is not a prime number because 1 times 8 gives you 8, 2 times 4 gives you 8. That means the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. There are more than 2 factors, that's why 8 is not a prime number. So basically, prime factorization means you need to write the number as a product of its prime factors. Let's see some example. Find the prime factorization of 48 using factor tree. So for 48, take the factors of 48. I'm going to take 8 and 6. Now 8 and 6 are not prime numbers, so I need to find the factors of 8 and 6 again. So I'm going to take the factors of 8 as 4 and 2. 2 is a prime number, so I don't have to split it again. But 4 is not a prime number, so I need to write 4 as a product of prime numbers. So which is 2 and 2. Now here it became prime numbers, so we are done with this part. We need to split 6 as the product of prime numbers, which is 2 times 3. So here 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so we are done. Now we got 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. All of them are prime numbers, which means we are done with the process. So the prime factorization of 48 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is 2 to the power 4 times 3. Let's see one more example. Find the prime factorization of 210. So find the factors of 210, which is 21 times 10. We have to split 21 and 10. Why? Because 21 and 10 are not prime numbers. So find the prime factors of 21, which are 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are prime numbers, so we don't have to split it again. The prime factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So we got 3, 7, 2, 5 and all of them are prime numbers, which means we are done with the process. So the prime factorization of 210 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. I hope you understand how to find prime factorization. Thank you for watching.